Open the ViPlex Express software. And click the control icon in the upper right corner. Click on Brightness Adjustment. Drag this long slider to manually adjust the screen brightness. Click on the brightness mapping table. As you can see, there are many intelligent brightness parameters here that can be adjusted automatically. Clicking the quick subsection allows you to set your desired smart brightness parameters. Click OK after setting. On this screen, click to create an auto brightness adjustment table. Click Auto. Set the desired duration for applying this smart brightness, and then click Add. Click Apply. Setup complete.